In this lesson, I wanna show you how to create or how to add a baluster to our railing. Not a baluster yet. Add the baluster. Just go to insert to load baluster family. Click on load family. Find the railings folder. Click on baluster folder. Choose one of them family of the balusters. I choose this one. Hit apply. OK. Now select our railing to add the baluster. Click on edit type. Find baluster placement. Click on edit. Now add a baluster family from post folder. Post tab. Choose one of them baluster. Apply and OK. Now we have done. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand. For more, subscribe my channel.